Okay. Number 8. Susan is trying to solve the summation so and so and so and so using the formula. She substitutes the values n equals 10, a1 equals 7, and a of n equals 33 to discover the sum 200. What can be determined about Susan's work? Okay, so she says n equals 10. Let's see, you have to subtract 5 from 14, and that should give you 9. And when you add that one extra, because you have to include 5, that gives you n equals 10. So n does equals 10, so you can subtract, but cross out f because that's true. This is not true. A of 1 equals 7. So to find a of 1, we have to plug in n equals 5 into this equation here, and you have 2 times 5 plus 5 equals 15, and that is a of 1. So a of 1 does not equal 7, and that's G. So the answer would be G. And let's say we want to switch the values, and let's say Susan or Sharon is using this equation here, sigma in here. N, she said n equals 3, blah, 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 blah. Let's say she says n is equal to 9 and a1 is equal to 11. If we try to find n, you would have to subtract 12 and 3, and that should give you 9. But you have to add that extra 1 to include 3, and that makes n equals 10. So n does not equal 9. That's how we got that. And let's say she says a1 equals 11. In order to find that, you would have to plug in this n equals 3 into here. So 3, you would have the 3 times 3 plus 2. 3 times 3 equals 9. 9 plus 2 equals 11. So a1 for this equation is 11. So that would be the answer. Well, this would be the answer because n does not equal 9. That would be an error.